already we finished exercise 8.29. So today let us see exercise 8.3, 8.30. Okay, next listen. If A and B are two events, that P of A equal to 1 by 4, P of B equal to 1 by 2 and P of A and B equal to 1 by 8 given. And means already I told intersection. Okay, A intersection B is given. Okay, next P A or B. A or B means A union B. Okay, R means union and means intersection. Okay, so next P not A and P not B. And means intersection, not A not B. So P of not A means A bar, and means intersection, not B means B bar. Okay, so P of A bar intersection B bar only you want to find. Okay, so first A or B. A or B means A union B. So A union B equal, already you know the formula, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A is given 1 by 4, P of B also given 1 by 2, P of A intersection B is 1 by 8. So we'll take LCM 4, 2, 8. If you put 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Next 2, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM is 8. Okay. So 8. So how many 4s are 8? 2 4s are 8. So denominator also you multiply by 2. So 2 1s are 2 plus. How many 2s are 8? 2 4s are 8. So numerator also multiply by 4. So 4 1s are 4. Okay. Next minus, already 8 only. So 8 1s are only 8. So 1. So 2 plus 4 6. 6 minus 1 5 by 8. Okay. So A or B equal to 5 by 8. Next P not A and not B. Now only I told P not A and not B means P of A bar intersection B bar. Okay, so we find A bar intersection B bar means A not P of A union bar. Okay, A union B formula 1 minus P of A union B. So 1 minus A union B, already we find 5 by 8. Okay, so 1 you cross multiply, 8 1s are 8, 8 minus 5 3 by 8. Okay, next question 8.31. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king or a heart or red. So total cards already we know, number of is equal to 52. In the first event is, listen, king, heart, red. 3 events is given. Okay, one is king, second one heart, third one red. So first king, already I told king how many cards is there? 4 cards is there. King 1 2 3 4. 4 cards is there. Okay. So P of A, number of A equal to 4. So P of A equal to number of A by number of A is 4 by 52. Next heart. Heart is how many cards is there? 13 cards is there. So number of B equal to 13. So P of B equal to number of B by number of S. So 13 by 52. Next C. C is red card. Red card means 2 red is there. One is heart, one is diamond. So 13 into 13, 26. 13 plus 13, 26. So number of C equal to 26. So P of C equal to number of C by number of S. So 26 by 52. Next A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B. You see A and B. This is king. This is heart. So 1 only there. Okay, heart in K, 1 card. This is king, this is heart, spade, next diamond, next claver. So this full heart card. So this heart only 1 card only there. So number of A intersection B 1 by 52. Next number of B intersection C. So B and C, heart, this red. So this heart card 13 card. This red card 13 plus 13. Okay, this is heart, This is diamond. So intersection 13. Okay, so B intersection 13. 13 by 52. Next A intersection C. So A intersection C, you see A is king, C is red. So king 4 king, 2 red, 2 black. Here red card. So 2 king. Okay, so 2 by 52. Next P of A intersection B intersection C. So king, heart, red. So one only there. Okay. King red color and heart and king. So one card only there. Heart in also, red also and king also. So only one there. So 1 by 52. Okay. So now P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So P of A is 4 by 52, P of B 13 by 52, P of C 26 by 52, A intersection means 1 by 52, the 13 by 52, 2 by 52 plus 1 by 52. Okay. So denominator fully equal. So add numerator. So 4 plus 13, 17, 17 plus 26, 43. Okay. So 43. This minus 13 plus 1, 14, 14 minus 16. Okay, this plus 1, so 44. So 44 minus 16, 28 by 52. Please simplify. 7 4s are 28, 13 4s are 52. So 7 by 13. Okay, we understood. Next sum. In a class 50 students, 20 opted for NCC and 30 opted for NSS and 18 opted both NCC and NSS. One of the students is selected at random. Find the probability. Okay. So in a class 50 students. So 50 is number of A's. So number of A's is equal to 50. 20 opted for NCC. If NCC I will take A means, okay, number of A equal to 28. If 30 opted for NSS I will take B means, so number of B equal to 13. Okay. So after both means intersection. So A intersection B equal to 18. Okay. So number of A equal to 28, number of B equal to 30, number of A intersection both means anyone means union. Okay, both means intersection. So number of A intersections equal to 18. So first probability what is asking, the student opted for NCC but not NSS. Okay. So NCC but not NSS means NCC. So in NCC I will take A. So A intersection but not NSS. NSS but not. So NSS I will take B. So B bar. Okay. But not is given. So I will take B bar. So P of A intersection B bar is equal to formula P of A minus P of A intersection B. So P of A minus P of intersection B. Okay, so P of A is 20 by 50, 28 by 50 minus P of A intersection B 18 by 50. Because number of A is given, so P of A equal to number of A by number of A, so 28 by 50. P of B equal to number of B by number of A, so 30 by 50. P of A intersection B equal to number of A intersection by number of A, so 18 by 50. Okay. So A intersection B for formula P of A minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is 28 by 50 minus P of A intersection by 18 by 50. So 28 minus 18, 10 by 50. If we simplify, we get answer 1 by 5. Okay. Next, probability of the students opted for NSS but not NCC. So NSS, NCC but not NCC. So NCC I will take P of A bar intersection B. Okay, because opted for NSS will take B only. Okay, NSS B, NCC only A. Say but not NCC. So A bar intersection B. This is wrong. P of A bar intersection B. So this formula P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. If in the bar, leave it. Okay, formula easy. How do you remember it? If bar, leave it. So P of A minus P of A intersection B. Here bar, where is there? A. So P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of B is 30 by 50 minus 18 by 50. So 13 minus 18, 6 by 13 minus 18, 12 by 50. If you simplify 6 2s are 12, 25 2s are 50. Okay. Next, probability of the students opted for exactly one of them. Exactly one, any one. Okay. So that formula is P of A intersection B bar union A bar intersection B. Okay. So how do you write this one? So union means we combine. Okay. So P of A intersection B bar plus P of A bar intersection B. Okay. So now only find this is 1 by 5. This is 6 by 25. So is equal to, because we didn't simplify means what do we get? 10 by 50. Okay, 10 by 50. You don't simplify. Here is have 12 by 50. So is equal to 10 by 50 plus 12 plus 50 is equal to 22 by 50. So if we simplify 11 2s are 22, 25 5s are, so 11 by 25. So here we don't simplify. Okay, leave it. 28 minus 18, 10 by 50. 13 minus 8, 12 by 50. So 10 by 50 plus 12 by 50, 22 by 50 simplify 11 by 25. Okay. Next question. A and B are two candidates seeking admission at IIT. The probability that they are getting selected is 0.5 and the probability that both A and B. If A getting selected means the probability. So P of A is equal to 0.5. Okay. The probability that both means intersection. Okay. Anyone, at least anyone only union. So both means intersection. So P of A intersection B equal to 0.3. Okay, getting selected 0.3. Prove that probability of B being selected is at most 0.8. At most means less than. Okay, already I told at least means if at least one means one or more than one. At least two means two or more than two. So at most one means one or less than one. At most two means two or less than two. So at most 0.8. So 0.8 or less than 0.8. So P of A union B equal less than or equal to 1. Because why do you put less than or equal? Here is given at most. So that only. Okay. So P of A union B formula, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B less than or equal to 1. So A is 0.5, B we don't know. So P of B minus A intersection B is 0.3. So 0.5 plus minus 0.3, answer is 0.2. Okay. So P of B, this 0.2, this side come this change into minus. So 1 minus 0.8. So P of B less than or equal to 0.8. Therefore probability became at most 0.8. Okay. Hence proved. Okay, thank you.